Hi Math Stars, Shamita here with Early Education Intervention Service. And today's video is how to use the area model to multiply. This is a skill that's usually learned or taught in 4th grade. All right, let's get started. Our math sentence today is 23 times 15. All right, to use the area model, you want to draw a square. And we have broken our square into 4 parts because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Okay? Now we're going to look at 23, and what we want to do is decompose or break apart 23 into tens and ones. So we want to look at the 2 in 23. It's in the tens place, so that means that the value of that 2 is 20. So we want to write that at the top. Okay? Now we're going to look at the 3. It's in the ones place. So the value is 3. Okay? 20 plus 3 is 23. Now, we want to do the same thing to the 15. The 1 in the 15 is in the tens place. So the value of that 1 is 10. And we want to write that on the side of our model. Now we want to look at 5. It's in the ones place, so the value is 5. Okay? 10 plus 5 is 15. So now that we have our numbers in position, we want to get ready to multiply. Okay? So this is where we find our partial product. Okay? 10 times, the way I like to multiply to make it easier is I look at the tens. The numbers in the tens, I know that 2 times 1 is 2. And then I have 2 zeros. Okay? Therefore, I know that 20 times 10 is 200. Okay? Now, because we have to multiply 10 times each one of our top numbers, we're going to multiply 10 times 3 now. And I know that 10 times 3 is 30. Okay? Now, we are done with 10. We're going to move down to 5. We're going to multiply 5 times each one of our top numbers. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 0. So this tells me that 20 times 5 is 100. Okay? Now, we're ready to put our last partial product in that box. 5 times 3 is 15. Now we have all of our partial products, so we are now ready to add. 200 plus 100 plus 30 plus 15. So now we're adding all of our partial products together. All right, we have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5. 0 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So our final product of 23 times 15 is 345. And that's how you use the area model to multiply.